First of all, I really thank National Productivity Summit that we had been there in the top 10. So that means that we have done something remarkable to be presenter here. It has been a good learning, so to say that it was with a kind of a large organization platform where the only productivity mindset is always with a large organization, and where we are able to present ourselves as a medium-sized organization. Lot of case studies we are able to envisage and see, and I think we came here as a team, and our team was able to understand that what has been the new techniques or the new approach or the mindset which can be upgraded to make sure that the productivity can be increased. On top of it, while doing a presentation and post-presentation, the kind of question answer session what we happened with the jury. Jury was quite kind enough to explain us that what was your next goal and what ideally it should be the next goal. So I think that I would strongly say that it was a pretty good one, because jury was quite experienced what we have achieved till date and what should be the next. So I think it has helped us in terms of framing our next goal as well. I feel people should be participating in this productivity summit, so that the data what has been already there, it's been recorded and it's been presented to the jury, and then they are able to relate with the peers or the competitors either in the similar industry or non-similar industry as well, and it helps them to analyze their viewpoint, because while within their organization they always feel that we have been achieving too much or we have been already doing many things. When they come and see how the external world is also doing, so you're not the only one who is doing things. There are quite an amount of people who are already working on the similar lines. So we have to be more differentiating while even in terms of productivity enhancement what we are working upon.